What's up YouTube, it's hip-hop channel YTV and I'm back with another video. New York rapper 50 Cent shows up on G-Unity Toy Drive in Houston to give all the toys to the kids. The G-Unity Foundation, more commonly abbreviated as G-Unity, is an American non-profit public foundation established rapper 50 Cent and his group G-Unity. The foundation provides grants to non-profit organizations that focus on improving the quality of life for low-income and underserved communities across the United States. The main goals of the charity are to emphasize the critical importance of supporting academic institutions, to support non-profit organizations that focus on the academic enrichment of a child, and to support after-school activities. So now let's check this out video, come on.
What is he doing, bro? What the?
Improving his own life wasn't enough, it was important for 50 Cent to ensure that his success could be shared with those who do not have the means to help themselves. This episode uncovers the harsh reality of his childhood tough decisions, failures, and ultimate dreams that have molded him into the famous rapper and businessman he is today. So big respect to Curtis Jackson, and thanks for watching the hip-hop channel YTV. If you like the videos and content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bell, and don't forget to visit website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.